Hey everyone, so I have this tire inflator here by this brand right here. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this thing has saved my life. Not literally my life, but it has saved me from a lot of trouble. Um, I've had this over a little over a year now, and you just plug it into your car, you plug it into your tire, and you're all set. So I wish I could plug this in and show you guys, but it's really windy outside, so I can't. But just once you plug it in, it automatically turns on by itself, and there's it shows you the number here, and there's the PSI, and you can switch to different, I guess, measurings of like the pressure with this letter right here, the M. And I think there's like 4 different ones that you can choose from. And then you'll also set how high you want, or where you want it to stop at. So for example, if you're gonna fill up your tire and you want it to stop at 35 psi, you just adjust it here or adjust it here, lower or higher. And once you adjust it to where you want it, you just set it there, and then you're good. And then when you want it to start, you just hit the power button, and it'll start putting air in your tire. Now, the really cool thing about this is that once it gets to that number that you set, it'll automatically stop. So you don't have to be watching it and worrying about it going over. It'll automatically stop, and that's a really cool feature. And then also here, once you click this, it'll have like a really bright white light here. If you click it again, it'll be, I believe it's a red light, and it's just flashing. And if you click it again, it's white and red, and it's flashing like the whole time. So that's a really cool thing to use if you're using this at night, and you're stuck like in a freeway or something, and you're putting air in your tire. You just flip this little light on, and people will be able to see that you're there. That way they can move over to the next lane or whatever it is. But it's actually really good. And like I said, it's helped me out so many times. I don't have to worry about going to the gas station. I can just fill it up at home, and I don't have to have a big compressor or anything. I just have this little thing, fill up my tires, and ready to go.